Try to get the little Mickey Mouse spring clip on here. Okay, that's off. And you can see the clip on the actual hose there. That's what has to become off. And the fittings right there that we replace. I just cut these old hoses out of here. Makes it easier. Pull them through. Clean out around that fitting a little bit before I take it out. We are going to change the PMD also. So let that brake cream dry just a little bit. Get this. There's the fitting. You'll see, I'll show you the difference between our fittings and what's originally there. Everybody talks about the feed the beast and all that. That's the stock fitting. That's what it flows through. This is our fitting that we replace it with. As you can see, substantially better. Okay. We'll go ahead and put the new harness on right now. That way I won't have to fish around for it later. Okay, snapped on. Okay, now our new line. And it'll thread right on top of that fitting we just put in there. .45-degree bend like that. Just kind of comes in parallel to the radiator line there. Kind of tight with the fuel shut off right there, but and it just threads onto there. So we're pretty much to the point of finalizing all this. I can go ahead and you can go ahead and snug everything up now. It's nothing's going to change from this point out. So again, you don't need to crank these down. Just, you know, snug. You don't want them falling off, but you don't need to put the Gorilla Grip on them either. You got to adjust things a little bit, make things comfortable, and where they're laying smooth. Like I said, it's just a matter of patience, and that's what you got to have to do this stuff. As you can see, at some point somebody Mickey Moused a PMD extension in there and stuff, so we're gonna run it the right way. We got a new one from John Quadstar. I don't make these. He has a good quality one, price is right, so deal with him on that. So we'll go ahead and change all that out, but we're looking pretty good now. I think we're in good shape. So any other questions about it, feel free to ask. This overflow here, that'll come out too. That you don't need that anymore. This is the bleeder here, and these actually, that Raycor, this is a hand pump on top of it, so you can actually pump the fuel with that if you need to get it flowing. So we're all good, and hopefully you learned a few things and make it a little easier next time you go to do one of these.